Storms off Florida coast would be first named storm of hurricane season. Florida will likely see the first named storm of hurricane season on Saturday, according to reports. The National Hurricane Center, NHC, projected that the weather system, which, if it escalates to a tropical storm, would be named Arthur, will form near the Bahamas after producing showers and thunderstorms across south and central Florida. The center also advised that North Carolina can expect to bear some brunt of the storm. Arthur would be the first named storm of the 2020 hurricane season, which has been projected to be busier than usual, with a 40% increase in activity predicted. Tropical storm is a cyclone with sustained wind speeds averaging 38 to 73 miles per hour, any faster, and the storm develops into a hurricane. Hurricane season normally starts on June 1st, meaning that Arthur would be a pre-season storm. Normally, activity increases substantially in August and peaks in mid-September, according to the National Weather Service.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.